First, we perform this multiplication, 8 over 3 times 3. This 3 and this 3 cancel each other out, and only 8 remains. In the end, 16 divided by 8 gives us 2. But this answer is not correct because we did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics called the order of operations. The order of operations tells us that when we face a mathematical expression, we cannot start solving it from anywhere we like. Instead, we must follow a specific order called the correct order of operations. The correct order of operations is known by a short acronym called PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents and roots. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, in any mathematical expression, we first calculate parentheses, then exponents and roots, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority. In any expression that has both multiplication and division, we move from left to right and perform whichever we reach first. This rule also applies to addition and subtraction. Now, with these explanations, let's solve the question from the beginning of the video. But before solving it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. 16 divided by 8 over 3 times 3. In this expression, there is both division and multiplication. According to PEMDAS, multiplication and division have equal priority, so we move from left to right and perform whichever operation we encounter first. In this expression, if we move from left to right, we reach division first, so we perform the division first and then the multiplication. To solve this part, we use the KCF rule. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. The KCF rule is a simple rule for dividing fractions. According to this rule, we keep the first number as it is, change the division sign to multiplication, and flip the second number. According to the KCF rule, we keep 16 as it is, change division to multiplication, and flip 8 over 3. 8 divided by 8 gives us 1, and 16 divided by 8 gives us 2. 2 times 3 gives us 6. In the end, we calculate 6 times 3, which gives us the final answer, 18.